In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn to find a job. LinkedIn is a powerhouse for job seekers, and leveraging it effectively can open doors to countless opportunities. So, let's dive into how you can use this platform to find your next job. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com. If you're not a member, it's time to sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. You can use Google, Microsoft, or your email and password. For those who use two-factor authentication, make sure to confirm your identity with the code sent to your phone. It's a crucial security step to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, head to the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the Jobs icon. This button is your gateway to thousands of job listings. At the top of the Jobs page, you'll find a search bar. Enter keywords, job titles, skills, or specific company names that match what you're looking for. It's a straightforward way to start your search journey. Interestingly, LinkedIn often provides job suggestions tailored to your qualifications and past experiences. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you're unsure of which path might suit you best but still want to explore options that align with your skills and history. Before you delve too deeply into job searching, ensure your LinkedIn profile is up to date. This means listing your most recent experience, education, and any other relevant information. Potential employers often view profiles, and having an updated profile can significantly increase your chances of making a great first impression. Now, once you've entered your search criteria, the search results page will display a variety of job postings. From there, you can filter these results to narrow down your options. Use filters like location, industry, and experience level to find positions that best suit your preferences and qualifications. After applying these filters, you have the option to set job alerts. By toggling the Set Alert feature, LinkedIn automatically notifies you about new postings that match your criteria. When you spot a job posting that grabs your interest, click on it to see the full job description. If it aligns with what you're seeking, you can proceed to apply. You'll notice two types of applications on LinkedIn: Easy Apply and Apply. Easy Apply allows you to apply directly through LinkedIn, utilizing your profile details to expedite the process. The Apply option, on the other hand, will redirect you to the company's website or a third-party site where you'll go through their application process externally. If you come across a job that piques your interest but need more time to decide, click the Save button on the Job Details page. This simple action keeps potential opportunities organized and accessible for future consideration. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering job hunting on LinkedIn. Take your time, explore, and make use of all the wonderful features LinkedIn offers to land that perfect job.